What is challenging about decision-making and problem-solving? We make decisions every day. Some are more important than others. From what time to leave for work, to what we should do to increase profits, managers are tasked with making a variety of decisions. But it isn't always easy. Making decisions is challenging for several reasons. First, it can be difficult to pinpoint the actual problem because much of what we experience are symptoms of an underlying problem. For these reasons, we sometimes solve the wrong problem, or we solve just one component of the problem. What we see and experience is often a symptom of a deeper, more complex problem. It isn't until we define the problem that we can really understand what is causing the symptom. Managers are tasked with figuring out what is causing the problems by asking questions and getting to the bottom of the issues. Another reason decision-making is often challenging is our intuition and cognitive limitations can bias our interpretation of situations. Intuition represents what you know about the world, but does not represent complete understanding. You may recall a time when you had a funny feeling or gut instinct about someone or some event. The concern with intuition is the lack of understanding it provides. A lack of information generally means less effective decisions. Heuristics, or mental shortcuts, can impair our ability to make decisions and interpret social situations accurately. To make matters worse, we are often not aware of these limitations. We'll learn more about these processes in the next video. For these reasons, it is important for managers to learn how to make better decisions and solve important problems. One way of doing this is to use a model like this one to guide you through the decision-making process. According to this model, decisions are made in a series of 4 steps. The first step is to define the problem, then we generate many alternatives. Then we evaluate those alternatives and make a decision about which solution we are going to choose. The final step is to implement that solution and then evaluate its effectiveness in addressing the problem we sought to solve in the first place.